you want to see how to do your brows using eyebrow gel, please keep watching and you know the drill. Don't go anywhere. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. If you're old, thank you for sticking with me. Thank you for watching. Thank you for commenting. Thank you for liking. I see them all. If you're just seeing my face for the first time and you're yet to subscribe to my channel, I'd love you to click that cute red button that says subscribe to my channel so we can enjoy this ride together. And while you're at it, don't forget to click the bell notification so you don't miss a post whenever I put up new videos on my channel. So today's video is a very highly requested one. Whenever I talk about how doing your eyebrows with brow gels are very easy, stress-free, and that you don't have to bother about going over your brows or touching over your brows, a lot of people are like, okay, is it not hard? Is it the same thing? I prefer to use my pencil. But today on my channel, I'm going to be sharing with you how to do your brows using brow gel. If you want to see how to do your brows using eyebrow gel, please keep watching and you know the drill. The tools I'm going to be using for this brow tutorial is mattifying. Mattifying. This is from FAWN. I always like to mattify my brows before doing my brows. So you can do this or use a setting powder or your powder. Just use your powder puff and dab your powder around your brow areas. This is supposed to keep your brows in place. And I'm going to be using a concealer from LA, and this is their Pro HD concealer in FAWN and Chestnut. This is in FAWN and Chestnut. I'm going to be using two concealers, the lighter one that is FAWN for under my brows, and the darker one that is Chestnut, that is like my own skin tone for the top of my brows. Then I'm going to be using a very short angle brush to help me pick up my brow gel, and I'm going to be using the brow gel from Hegai and Esther. This is in the shade Nubia, and I'm going to my spoolie and an angle brush as well as a flat brush. This angle brush is going to help me do my brows, highlight my brows with concealer, and this flat brush is going to help me to reduce harsh lines, and my spoolie is to brush my brows in place. So the first thing I want to do is to mattify around my brow area. So I'm going to be taking little mattifier and applying it around my brow areas. I'm going to be taking my brow gel and the small spoolie I talked about, and I'm going to be taking a very little amount. I'm going to be placing the excess on the back of my thumb like so, and I'm going to take my spoolie, brush my hairs in place, and I'll begin to fill my brows. Filling using light strokes. Don't press your angle brush too hard. Okay, so I'm drawing a line below my brows like so. Then I'm going to be repeating the same step for the top of my brows like so. And I'm joining the arch together. You don't want to press your pencil too hard so your brows doesn't look too shaded. So while filling, I like to fill beginning from the tail end, from the arch down to the tail end. Then I begin to drag it all the way in and in. Then I use my spoolie to brush my hairs in place. You can see that there's a space at the beginning of my brows where my hair actually did not go from. So I'm taking in a little angle, a little brow gel, and I am going to be drawing fake hairs around this region. Can you see what I'm doing? So I'm brushing my hair upwards, making the hair look fake. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and do this side using the same step. Now that I'm done with, I'm going to be going in with my FAWN concealer and my angle brush to quickly define my brows. Point a little, beginning from my outer crease. You can go ahead and create more fake hairs like the way I've done in this video at the beginning of my brows. Some people I heard they use toothpicks to create fake hairs, but you can use your angle brush to create this fake hairs. So don't make them too close, but if they are too close, you can go ahead and use your concealer and your concealer brush, that's your angle brush, to really define. You should know that your brows, they are sisters, so there is no way your brows are going to look the same. One arch is going to be like really higher than the other arch. As you can see from this brow arch is really higher than this brow arch. So guys, this is how to do your brows using Brow Gel. It is pretty much the same thing, using pen. Outline the lower part of your brows and go ahead and outline the upper part of your brows. Then you can begin to fill in from the arch towards the tail end. Ensure that it is, you know, darker towards the tail end and way lighter and faded towards the beginning of your brows. To create fake hairs, you can go ahead and use your angle brush you used to pick your brow gel from the pot and create fake hairs. Be careful not to make them look too bushy and too smudged. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you would love to see more tutorials like this, do give me a fat thumbs up. Tell me in the comment section below. Don't forget, I already have a brow tutorial on how to do your brows using pencil. I'm going to link it somewhere, you know, around the side. So guys, I'll see you all in my next video. Bye guys.